Hi everyone, I hope you all had a wonderful day and here I am with this beautiful painting tutorial. I thought to walk you through the entire process of the painting and today we're going to try texture painting. Texture painting is one of my favorite form of art which gives 3D looks to your painting and makes it look real. I'm going to quickly grab a canvas board out of this canvas board set, and if you guys are interested in this canvas set, the link is in the description box below. In fact, all the art material that I use for making the paintings is there in the description box below, so you can just go and check out these products on Amazon store. If you guys are interested, then can purchase it from there as well. So I'm quickly going to apply silver color in the background and going to apply it evenly and let it dry. Once it is dried completely, I'm quickly going to take black color and going to paint branches. Now you can paint your branches as per your wish, and to get this kind of smooth consistency with your branches, you can dilute more water to your black color. Then I'm going to take texture white and one of my favorite color, and with the help of palette knife, I'm going to mix them and paint these beautiful flowers. Trust me guys, this is one of my favorite process of the painting and it is very relaxing. I enjoyed every single bit of this and I'll let you enjoy the time-lapse process of this and see you with the final output. In the beginning, I thought I'll paint on the top left corner of the painting, but then I decided to go ahead and paint in the bottom as well. So I'm going to follow the same process in the bottom as well. And here is the final painting guys. I'm going to give quick detailing to my painting. Detailing is one of the most crucial and important part to your painting because that defines your final output. So I'm applying black color in the center of each and every flower. Then going to quickly paint tiny little branches with some leaves. Once it is dried completely, it's time to protect your painting with a varnish spray. Don't forget to do this process in the balcony because it smells really bad. And here is the final output, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the process and this painting. If you do, then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe because this means whole world to me. See you in the next painting with lots of love.